Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix microphone not working after iOS 17 update. First solution, you have restart your iPhone. So you have something as easy as rebooting or restarting your iPhone can fix many issues, including problem with your device microphone. Restarting the iPhone means all the app open on your device are shut down and the system processes running in the background and refreshed or reloaded. Then second solution, you have unplug all accessories and turn off Bluetooth. If you have any accessories or add-ons like headphones, earbuds, earphones, etc connected to your iPhone, try unplugging them as these might be causing some influence your smartphone's microphone. Then you have turn off Bluetooth option. I have already turned off. Then third solution, you have reset your iPhone setting. Changes in your iPhone setting for any reasons can affect the proper functioning of certain features or aspects of your device, including the microphone. Hence, resetting your iPhone settings can help fix this issue. Do not worry, as resetting the settings will not erase or wipe out your smartphone's data. You have opened the setting and then click on general, scroll up, then you click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset our setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone. Then fourth solution, you have check for available software updates and download or install them. Suppose you have recently updated to iOS 17 and are facing this issue even after trying out the method discussed earlier in this article. In that case, it is quite possible that the update might not have been installed properly on your device. So you have open the setting and then you have click on general, again click on software update. iOS latest version on your iPhone available, so you must be installed. Then last solution, you have clean the microphone. You can start by inspecting and cleaning the microphone on your iPhone. Note that they would be placed at different locations depending on the iPhone model. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.